Hey Roblox fans! If you're here, you're probably pulling your hair out over error code 277 on Windows, especially with the 2025 updates making things tricky. Don't worry. I'm here to guide you through a simple, step-by-step fix that could get you back into your favorite games in no time. This error often pops up due to network issues, outdated software, or firewall blocks, but we'll tackle it head-on. First things first, let's start with the basics. Open your Roblox app and make sure your internet connection is stable. Try restarting your router or switching to a wired connection if you're on Wi-Fi. Sometimes, a simple refresh does the trick. Next, head to your Windows settings and check for any updates. Go to Settings, Update and Security, Windows Update, and install any pending updates. Roblox might need the latest system patches to run smoothly. While you're there, ensure Roblox itself is up to date. Open the Microsoft Store or the Roblox website, and look for an update button. Now, let's deal with potential blocks. Firewalls can be overprotective, so go to Windows Defender Firewall in your control panel. Add Roblox as an allowed app by clicking Allow an app through Firewall, and selecting Roblox from the list. If you have third-party antivirus software, temporarily disable it and see if that resolves the issue, but remember to turn it back on afterward for security. If that doesn't work, try flushing your DNS cache. Open the command prompt as an administrator by searching for it in the Start menu, then type ipconfig flushdns and hit Enter. This can clear out any corrupted data causing the error. Finally, as a last resort, reinstall Roblox. Uninstall it from the Settings app under Apps, then download and install the latest version from the official Roblox website. This often fixes lingering file issues. There you go. That's how you conquer error code 277. If these steps help, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming fixes. If you're still stuck, leave a comment below, and I'll do my best to assist. Happy gaming in 2025.